When you install Wolfeye software on each of your computers, what will you get? Well, you can see it by yourself uh, going, hitting this demo link. Hit the demo link, and this is what you will get. Basically, you will get a link to your dashboard. A link to your dashboard. Yeah, after you install the software on multiple computers, we will contact you and send you the link to your dashboard. It would look like this. This is the demo dashboard. The demo dashboard. The password is 12345 for the demo, but of course, your dashboard you will set your password by yourself. So you log into your dashboard and will receive a page where you see all the live computer screens of all the computers that you have installed Wolfeye. This is, of course, a demo screen only, and that's basically what you get. Also, you will be able to select if you prefer to see it on two columns like this, because you prefer, for example, to see bigger screens, because you want to see, to better read what's on the screen, or if you prefer to have more screens on the dashboard at the same time, you decide. And you will see that, for example, for each of the screens, you have two links. One link is called Live. You right mouse click to it and hit open in a new tab, and it will open that screen, the live screen of that computer, in a new tab so that you can see it on a big new tab screen, in case you wanted to monitor only that screen. And here you can change the size of the screen if you want to prefer it like that, a bigger size. That depends on the size and the settings of the computer screens, or you prefer to have it like this. These are the things that you can set. And also you see for each of the screens, you see here history. You right mouse click on history and will receive the historization of screenshots. You can enable Wolfeye to make screenshots like every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes. You set the interval. If you want to enable that, you must send us an email for that. It's not it's not turned on automatically. So you must send us an email telling us that you want to enable this feature. It's at no cost, basically. If you get Wolfeye, then you will be able to ask us for this. And this is the screen. So you get, like, in this case, every 5 minutes, a screenshot is made, and you will see all the history of screenshots here on this page for each screen that you want to monitor. For example, this screen, right mouse click, and it opens the history for that particular screen. Okay, and if you wanted to log out of this of your dashboard, you hit the logout button, and basically that's it.